Hi everyone, I'm doing another week of homeschool lunches for my children. So today is Monday. We're keeping it simple. I've made a quick grilled cheese sandwich and I sliced that in half for them to share. I've also made a quick batch of homemade tomato soup and it smells delicious. I hope they enjoy, so let's see how much of this they eat. The kids are munching on some fruit now. They ate their sandwich and all of their soup. I accidentally rinsed this bowl and then I remembered that I needed to take this clip. But they ate everything. Alright everyone, this is what the kids will be eating today. Some leftover roast, some potatoes, carrots, onions, and celery. So I gave them each a little serving of that. And then I gave them each their mixed greens with some ground beef, some mild salsa and ranch dressing, a little bit of tomato and tortilla strips. So I guess it's Taco Salad Tuesday. It is Wednesday. This is what the children are having. Pretty simple. I steamed some white rice and then I cooked some beans with fresh garlic, onion, red pepper, lots of good seasonings, some green olives, and I threw in a handful of chicken that I quickly shred. Some greens on the side there. They'll probably mix that right on into the rice. I gave them each a little bit of cucumber with some ranch and some sliced baked sweet potato. I intended on giving the kids avocado yesterday and today, and they're still not ready to be used. Yesterday, they ate their entire salad, but I forgot to take a clip of that. Apologies. Anyway, I'm going to serve this to them. I hope they like it. They're all finished. My son still had a few bites left over, but he said that he's full, so I don't mind. But they really enjoyed it. My daughter ate just about everything. Hi everyone, today is Thursday. This is sort of a very sweet and snack type lunch. I've given the kids some apple slices with peanut butter. It's been quite a while since they've had peanut butter and they have been loving these apples, so I thought it would be a fun combination. I made my daughters look sort of like a little flower and I just lined my sons up there on the side. I gave them each a few pecans and some sliced sweet potato from yesterday. Don't mind the background noise. I'm currently working on dinner, but they basically ate everything that I gave to them. My son just left one little slice of sweet potato on his plate. They loved the apples with the peanut butter. Well, we've made it to the end of the week, and this is what they're having today. My son asked if these are tacos, and I guess they sort of are. I had some pepperoni that I've been trying to use up, so I cut that into long sticks, placed it with some cheddar cheese. I warmed that up for just a few seconds, and then I gave them each some red and yellow bell pepper, a little bit of ranch to dip that into. I've made some pickles. I didn't have a pickling cucumber. I just used regular cucumber, and I had them in the fridge for about 3 days, and they turned out really good. This here is a little bit of chocolate, because I originally had the strawberry in that section, but then I bumped it over here. Yeah, the strawberry. So I made these chocolate-covered strawberries. I made them for a video that I'm going to be posting next week. So I gave them each one of those, and I put this sweet little elephant food pick in there. I've had those forever. I bought them on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. My daughter has a white chocolate-covered strawberry with a little lion. And then I gave them each some banana chips. My children love the finger food style lunches, so I'm hoping that they enjoy this today. Do you think it looks good?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. Every single strawberry looks so good.
Good. Let's see how much they eat. They ate just about everything. My son left 2 slices of pepper here, but that's all right. They loved the melted cheese with pepperoni on the spinach wraps. They said it tastes like pizza. So I'm going to definitely make those for them again. I think next time I'll serve them with some marinara sauce. They definitely enjoyed their strawberries. My daughter peeled the chocolate off hers, and we noticed that it sort of resembles a Biore strip. Kind of gross. It pulled the seeds out of the strawberry. But that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed seeing what the children had for their lunches. A lot of random ideas, but I think they enjoyed everything overall. I'm excited for next week. I'm going to start their Valentine's Day themed lunches. So I'm excited for that. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.